What up, players? Welcome back to a brand new video with a brand new car. If you guys follow us on Instagram, I'm pretty sure you've seen this. Second gen Beto is now becoming first gen Beto. So
I prefer Beto 6'9".
Beto 6'9". Let us know in the comment section what you guys think second gen Beto's new name should be. So now that he's becoming the Camaro King, this is gonna be the first video finally showing you guys at least a good walk around it. Beto's already gotten into this shit pretty quick, so let me show you already what he's done so far before I walk around. So this is the original 327. He pulled it out already, re-gasketed everything, painted it, cleaned it all up, painted it, and as you can see, he's literally not stopping. He's still working on it now. So him and my dad and my brother's been chipping away at it. I'll see if I can throw some clips. They were recording some on his phone when they pulled the motor and everything. I'll throw up some clips right now. Anyways, let's just walk around it real quick while he's cleaning up the headers. So this is it. This is I don't know the exact color name, but it's a gold, all original paint, 69 Camaro. It's pretty solid. The floors are really solid. Rockers are good. There's a bit of rust on the outside, like the trunk. Got some rust right here. Not too bad. I mean, the deck lid's pretty ugly, but honestly, I think this whole patina look looks sick, and I really wouldn't even mind just leaving the rust. You got some over here. Quarter panel going to the roof area. I think this is pretty solid from what I remember. Oh, got a little spot right here. Doors solid. Looks like maybe it had a little bit of work on the quarter panel. Fender area. It's like got that pink, probably like filler a little bit, or a primer. Check out that classic tail. Solid bumper. Like I said, it's got a 327 and it's backed by a automatic transmission. I don't know what exactly it is, but I think it's like a 350 transmission, because we ordered gaskets for that and he already used them. So check out the inside. He's going inside already. Got most of the interior in here. Got the door panels. A little bit more rust right here. A little bit of flex seal on here. Call it a day, Beto.
Yeah.
Once he gets out of there, I'll show you guys the inside right now. It's got all the parts and stuff that he's been using to work on the car. Some of the parts he took off. But as you can see, pretty solid. Everything's basically here. Headliner, all original stuff. The seats, front and rear. Got some carpet. Seems to be just the back piece. The front isn't in here. But even got the handle right here. It's missing the dash pad. Got the steering wheel going on. The original gauges. Got the center console. And I think it's got a 12 volt. I just don't know what kind of gearing or anything it has, but I don't know. I haven't been around much when Beto's been driving it.
No major dents.
Oh yeah, no major dents.
No major dents around
When
here.
we got this shit, Martin kind of leaned into it a little bit. Yeah, I forgot to mention that part, but apparently it got hit by like a forklift where it was stored at. But other than that, it's a pretty solid car. Look at the hood. Pretty solid. Aside from like the rust on the outside, which, like I said, I don't know if he plans on just leaving it, but I would. It's not even too bad. Oh damn, I never seen all this. Pretty solid. This car looks badass like this, like all patina, original style. He just needs some big billets on it, and it's a beast. Martin just told me that he was washing some of this, and it is just like primer and it came off, so hopefully we could get most of it off. When he bought it, it was running. Everything pretty much worked. It was just had been sitting for a long time, so everything leaked. Oil, transmission, brakes, everything was leaking. So he took it all apart, re-gasketed everything like I said, and now it's just basically put it back together. It had the old manifolds, and so now he's also installing some long tube headers. He's gonna redo the exhaust, so it's not that fucking skinny ass 1-inch exhaust pipe, whatever it was. It's gonna have a big exhaust. He's got a Holley 650 carb on it, versus 4-barrel versus the original little single barrel that it had. So this thing should wake it up. Hopefully it's not too much for this little engine, but 327 should be pretty solid. Let me know in the comments, who do you think will win in a race? I'm gonna do all this same stuff to the green C10. Oh, you guys haven't even seen that shit yet.
Why is he laughing?
All right, I haven't even showed that truck yet in the video, but you guys seen it on Instagram. This green 69 C10 I got has a 307. I'm gonna do all the same stuff that he just did, just to clean it up and get rid of all the leaks, and then we're gonna race. The only advantage that I have is a 4-speed manual transmission, and I'm a fucking beast at driving stick now, so I'm gonna smoke this fool for sure. I'm like Toretto. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. If a 327 69 Camaro, probably an open diff 12 bolt versus a 69 C10 307 4-speed manual with a 12 bolt Posi 373 gears. I think I got to jump with those gears, low key.
I got my money on the bag 68 C10.
Oh my god, that thing's
Hey,
undercover.
you gotta help me fix the rack pinion because it's leaking.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, dude, all these fucking projects are leaking everything, so it is what it is. Oh look, this is the old setup right here. Old intake, old carb. Oh, and the old cam. He also put a new cam in and all the stuff that goes with that, lifters and everything, because that one was grinding or all messed up. So anywho, all right guys, already starting off with the weight reduction. We got a weight reduction right here.
Weight reduction.
So this shit was in the way when installing these
Beat up ass
super clapped out headers. Beto got the Facebook Marketplace special for $100.
It's 60 bucks.
60 bucks, make or break it, and he made it.
For the gas?
Yeah.
And these fools,
So this sucks it up, right, from the tank. That sucks it, and then it goes up into the.
I thought you sucked
Oh,
it.
I think I do have the hard line.
Well,
Yeah,
I thought you sucked it.
I do sucked it.
Now we got our fucking famous engine builder homie here, keeping cars on the
Ever
roads.
since this guy went to Hawaii.
First of all, get your
I
dirty
don't know
paws
what-
off of me.
Bro, you're
Look.
dirtier than I am.
Get away from me. Both of you. Get away from me, both of you.
So I'll update you guys in a minute when we make some more progress, because we haven't got nothing done actually.
I got something done.
You just got here.
I got something done.
You're right, you were suctioning something earlier. See what Beto's,
This?
let's see the thought process going through Beto's head right now.
I was right.
Honestly, I miss this part of YouTube, when I just walk around and record fools. When I don't actually have to do anything and sit the camera down. Me?
Yeah.
I wasn't here when you took any of this apart. How am I gonna find any of it?
I don't think he even knows where that shit is at.
Throw that shit out the fucking way, fool.
What happened here?
What?
I don't remember.
I don't know, Beto's peeling. Wait. Start over. Action.
Are you happy with the filter there?
Will, do whatever makes you happy, bro.
No, you said whatever pleases your body. Do it again. Do it again. Dude, we gotta get some good video in this shit, man.
Oh.
This is what people want. We gotta give the
I
people what
think
they
you
want.
should just show them that you're trying to fucking fake something that we already actually.
Hurry the fuck up and finish the job. How about that?
I'm working on it, bitch.
How are you fucking breathing already, fool?
It's ketchup, fool. That was ketchup.
Hey, look, this is what you do right here, brother. You see the little bend? Put a little pressure on this bad boy, and I just cut my finger. Told you to be careful. Oh, this is one of those good feel like.
You need some lotion.
Oh, shit, hold on.
Oh shit.
I don't know if I'm gonna be
At
able to.
first,
I don't know if
I
I'm
was a bitch, but now no, you know?
No, you still are, but now he is one too.
Yeah,
I mean, to be fair,
yeah, you continue.
to be a
He
bitch.
continues to be a bitch.
Yeah, never mind. You're the bitch.
You okay?
Hey, what do we need down there, hey? What do you need?
916.
Quarter, half, 3/8.
Whatever fucking makes you happy in life, just give it to me.
No, whatever pleases your body.
Pleases your body.
What?
No, I thought it was, go get it before I get mad.
Yeah. Just drop it on his belly button.
Here, 9/16.
It just gets absorbed into the spots, huh? Beto, move your stomach, belly dance. Dude, that shit swallowed it. What the fuck?
Jesus Christ.
Well, you're having a little too fun with that, fool. Relax.
He just starts using his finger.
Look at Will's blood rubbed off on me.
Oh, shit.
Will's blood?
Now you're gonna get fucking
HIV.
HIV.
William Road, keeping cars on the roads since 1999.
97.
97.
Dude,
2 years.
I don't like how everybody thinks they know what they're doing here. Nobody actually does.
We're all pretending like you
Just
do.
keep holding the camera, fool.
Yeah.
Doing it.
At least I know what I'm doing. I'm giving the people what they want.
Hey, this is a cam we put in the car.
Oh shit.
Sponsor. Shh,
They put a fucking LS cam in it. He didn't even know.
You'd rather do it out of the car.
I would rather do it out of the car.
Because all the pressure in the fuel line.
Well, what happens when we cut it and all the debris goes in there?
Why don't you take it out and cut it outside of the car?
Yeah.
That's what the fuck I'm doing.
So
Is
what
that
the
what we
fuck's
just
taking so
said?
long?
That's what we just said. Is that what he's gonna do?
Unbelievable.
How are you keeping cars on the roads since '94?
I'm not. I like taking them apart.
He literally doesn't have a car that's on the road.
He takes them off the roads and keeps them off the roads.
What do you guys want to cut?
Will's hair.
What's left to fire this thing?
Oh, fucking little bit of everything.
You know?
I don't fucking know.
Those spark plugs are gonna fire just fine.
Oh, I got some new ones in the car. If you were here outside yesterday. There's not even any spark plugs.
Fucking Beto gets all offensive. I'm over here trying to roast Will.
Beto, stop being offensive.
I'm getting offended.
an offensive
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
stop being
offended by your
offensive.
fucking haircut, but I never said nothing.
I was just.
Wait, Beto, shake it. Shake it. Turn your head, shake it. Just
God damn.
his neck.
Ass cheeks jiggling.
Did you lose a bet or what?
Oh yeah, look at those spark plugs. I think he lost the same bet you lost, fool. I don't know why you're talking with that.
Bro, mine's is better than that.
Fuck it, you got the same top. I don't know what happened to the back, but.
There you go. There you go.
What up, players? Back at the OG Backyard Yonkers headquarters. We got the 69 Camaro next to a 69 C10. I also need to make a video on this. Beto's got a lot closer on this thing. Obviously, we're running different headers now. These ones are a lot nicer and they fit way better. And everything looks a lot more complete now. Just kind of like a cleanup on this. Missing a few parts here and there, but we're gonna start trying to get everything hooked up. We're gonna get all this stuff dialed in. That way we can finally fine tune the whole thing. I think we gotta look over the brakes and stuff. So this one's getting close to moving. Then basically everything that Beto just did to this, I'm gonna do the same thing to the C10. So the C10 has a 307 completely stock, at least that's what I was told. We're gonna take it all out, clean everything up, re-gasket, prevent all the stuff from leaking, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's smoking just from the drive over here because I'm leaking oil, gas, tranny fluid, every type of oil, every type of fluid. All right guys, we just got the whole shift cable situation figured out, and we actually wired the starter wires back because I had to just chop those shits off when they were pulling the motor out. So now just gonna give it a little start. To get the exhaust?
Listen. You got the screw?
What screw?
The one that goes on the pulley.
Yeah, it didn't come with one. I'm gonna get.
Oh, you still don't got a ball in the crank?
That's
pulley?
only if you're
Fucking
fucking
ghetto. Sick ass carpet.
This guy sounds like a beast.
Fucking temp gauge.
It's gonna go up right now.
It's like a boost gauge.
It's almost there.
You guys think we should put those headers back on? Exhaust on it because this thing is fucking loud. Alright players, pretty much wraps up this Camaro video. Beto's been doing his thing with that car behind the scenes, and it's driving now, so I'll get another video with him on it one of these days. But it's pretty much put back together now. He re-gasket the whole motor and everything, transmission,
repainted everything, cleaned it all up, redid brakes, and made it to a nice cruiser now. So that's the whole goal with this thing. I'm gonna be making a whole video on doing all that on this one next. And as you guys know, if you follow us on Instagram, we're getting down on this one and it's getting real close. So stay tuned for this. Stay tuned for this. And maybe even this. And then maybe we'll take out this. I don't know. But like I said, thanks for sticking to the end, guys. Thanks for always supporting. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace out.